Oh boy. What a fine mess we got ourselves into this week. Working on a CT 90, 1969 vintage. This one is a kind of a weird one because it came with all the directionals deleted. It's got all the plugs put in. Sorry, I have a cold, summer cold. Beating the crap out of me, but that's what's got to get fixed, and don't know exactly how I'm gonna go about it. A lot of crap inside this thing, a lot of crap in there, and got to figure out how to mend this back together. The rest of it's pretty solid, except maybe back here. And there's a little not so good, a little soft. Oh boy, right there, a little mushy. It's got a spark arrestor in it, approved for Forest Service. Oh boy. Just the back half of it. Don't see anything else to. That's a bad spot. Oh, another bad spot. This whole cone is, oh boy, another bad spot. Well, let's get the worst of it. I think we can live with the back half, but this is just unattainable right now. I gotta sit there and grind it and see what we got. Just Well, I can get away with a piece of straight pipe right. It's still on the radius though. That's the problem. It's straight here, and it starts on the radius. So we'd have to bolt it onto the bike to see exactly where to repair this portion. This is gonna be interesting. Don't like it. What size is this? Looks like it's a 1-inch pipe. Or about 26 millimeter. So, But you know what I'm thinking already. Put that inside there. But, don't know. That's peen that. Cut it and peen it down to this size and weld it right there. But what restriction is that going to make? Don't know. That's no good. Maybe I should put a little more light on the situation. There we go. Yeah, I'll go to the auto parts store and see if I can find something there. There's the AC. All right. Let's close the garage door. Get some privacy. And it's finally starting to upload a video. I'm doing so. Well, I'm gonna go to a hardware store and see if I can find some piping that's close to this size.